to how to remove Instagram follow limit. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. And after you open the Instagram app, tap on your profile icon available in the bottom right corner. So inside your profile, simply tap on the three dashboard option or horizontal line available in the top right corner and scroll down till you find the help option. So now inside help, tap on the report a problem and tap on the report and include and continue. Now all you have to do is write down in brief about your issues or problem regarding this follower limit in Instagram. So now report them to the appropriate Instagram account. After that, tap on the send option available in the top right corner. So by following these steps, you can easily fix the remove or follower limit option on your Instagram. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.